Welcome back to Lobby Premium Console. So my name is Lobby Premium. So today is the first time on the channel here. Do all to hit the like button, drop a comment as always, and then share with others as we begin with the series for financial accounting. And in today's video, we are going to look out for the various structures, the various topics that we need to understand as a fundamental basic principles when it comes to financial accounting generally. So the first thing we want to look out for when it comes to accounting is to look at the idea about what is an accounting. In that, we're going to look out for the introduction to financial accounting, focusing on the key definitions, focusing on the importance of accounting, focusing on the key characteristics of accounting, focusing on the uses of accounting information, and as well knowing the basic financial statement that will prepare for businesses, the sole trader, whether partnership or companies. So that is going to be the objective for or the topic we're going to discuss, looking at it from its brief nature or in a summarized form. From there, we'll jump to look out for what we call the accounting conventions, accounting concepts, and then the principles that help us to prepare and then even enter transactions when it comes to accounting. Then from there, we'll look at what we call the accounting equation. The accounting equation, and that ushers into what we call the golden rule of accounting, which serves as a basis or the fundamental principle in recording of transactions in the books of account. From there, we'll also look out for what we call the day books that are pivotal when it comes to recording. And we call these books as for journals. We call them as journals that you want to understand. And these journals, we have a lot of, we have the sales journal, we have the purchase journal, we have the returns inwards journal, we have the returns outwards journal, we have cash book, we have a lot that we'll discuss them as we move along. So from the journal side, we also learn how to prepare trial balance, right? Then preparation of the income statement, then preparation of the balance sheet or the statement of the financial position of a sole trader, and that's going to what we're going to discuss pertaining the financial statement. And alongside too, we'll find some time to go through what we call the control account. Here, control account serve as what? Account that we prepare to serve as a cross-check between the individual account and then the overall sales account or purchase account ledger that a business may keep at the end of the day. So we do control in order to check what the arithmetic accuracies of our transactions, to check for any errors that may occur, in order to locate errors or check for errors. We also do that to ensure that there is no any embezzlement of fund by management or whosoever may found to be guilty of what embezzlement and other important things that we want to look out for. So from there, we also take our time to look out for what we call the bank reconciliation statement, one of the key topics in financial account that we ought to understand because it has a relation with our daily banking. So from there, we'll get to understand, or within that, we'll get to understand the various types of accounts supposed to have. We'll talk about the savings account, we'll talk about the fixed deposit account, and we'll talk about even the mix of what the two as we moved along. We'll talk about a lot of things that we want to know, current account, and then that of the savings account, as I said. We'll discuss them intensively when we get there, and we also get to understand why is there a need for us to reconcile our bank statement? What are some of the reasons that will account for reconciliation of bank statements? So in that, we'll look out for what we call a bank statement. We'll look out for what we call a bank reconciliation statement as well. So that from there, we'll also understand how we go by the reconciliation when it comes to, bank and its related issues in relation to customer. So this is going to be the focus for this semester or this term as we journey through this. And it's my hope that you will join us throughout the discussion as we walk you through the basics so that you can become perfect, you understand the basic principles. Because out of this, we're going to build it up to look out for the accounting tool where we'll focus on majority the broader issues when it comes to accounting. So I can't wait to see you on the channel where videos will be uploaded on the channel so that you quickly have to make sure you watch, go through, and then as well drop a comment, share with your friends so that they can also get access to the video to learn as well. And then I can guarantee you that your chance of getting A1 is totally assured. So this is what we ought to understand when it comes to this semester course that we're going to go through concerning financial accounting. And remember too that we have our registration for our master class is ongoing and goes for 390 Ghana Cedi per each course, for a semester. So you for the 3 months going to spend in school, you just pay 390 Ghana cedis, and boom, you join us, get access to our pragmatic lecture notes, get access to our step-by-step video presentation, get access to solve Q&A sections with that, get access to meet us on face-to-face or live lectures, and other mentorship or coaching training that will walk you through so that we can prepare you all to position yourself to pass the exams and become the best version you want to become so far as your academics and career is concerned. That is our core mandate, and that's our work that we seek to ensure that our students are able to understand these issues so that they become holistic, well developed in all aspects of their career and aspect of their education. So this is what we seek to achieve. So if you find this presentation awesome and beautiful, make sure to hit the like button of this video, share it as well, and drop a comment. That will always encourage us to make helpful presentation and tutorials for you guys to be able to watch and then become excellent students in your field of endeavor. So I will see you in the beginning section of the where we upload the content on introduction to financial account, looking at the fundamental principles and concepts that we ought to understand, serving as a basis in building other topics in that line. So I can't wait to see you as we go through this journey with you, and I hope it's going to be a successful journey as we move along. So I can't wait. Bye.